Hello everybody and welcome to our second week, phase 2. I hope everything is alright, and I'm very glad that a lot of you sent me the homework, and that's why I could send you the reward, our second card. And this week, this is gonna be our only video on day 4 and day 5. It's going to be practice from Pupils Book and Activity Book, and I remind you that on the school's platform I uploaded a photocopy of Pupils Book and Activity Book just in case you don't have them with you. Let's start. Okay, so first of all we are going to watch this video.
I'm bored. Let's play a game.
How about a general knowledge quiz?
That's a good idea. I'm very good at quizzes.
Where are the cards?
I know. They're in my pocket.
Right. First question. Where are the pyramids?
That's easy. They're in England.
No, they're not. They're in Egypt.
Now it's my turn. When did Neil Armstrong walk on the moon?
In 1969. Next question. Who was Christopher Columbus?
I know that. He was a famous mountain climber.
No, he wasn't. He was a famous explorer.
What is the capital of Greece?
Athens, of course.
This is a boring game. Let's play Monopoly.
Okay everybody, so they are playing a general knowledge quiz such as Trivial or something like that. Those are questions where you have to give information. Hacen preguntas donde tienes que dar una información, ¿verdad? ¿Dónde está Londres? ¿Quién fue el descubridor de la penicilina? Cosas así. So, here we can see 4 of the WH questions. Where, when, who, and what. I think they are the most important 4. Where? Where means ¿dónde? We have to answer with a place always. Siempre hay que responder con un lugar. When means ¿cuándo? And you have to answer with a time or something related to time, like a year, 1969, or I don't know, on March the 4th, or in summer, next week, something like that. Who is quién, and you have to answer always with the name of somebody or a person, like my father or something like that. And what means qué. What es la más amplia? Y ahora lo vamos a ver, ¿vale? Okay, so here we've got all of them. We've got the 4 that appeared on the video, and I added some more. This way we've got all, but the most important are this. Very good. So, what means qué? What's your favorite color? What do you like doing on your free time? Who means quién? Who is your father? My father is Nacho. Or who is sitting next to you? ¿Quién está sentado al lado tuyo? My brother. When means ¿cuándo? When is your birthday? When are you coming home? ¿Cuándo vienes a casa? Where means ¿dónde? Where do you live? Where is your school? Why means ¿por qué? Que esté por qué separado. Sí. ¿Por qué? Y acordaros que se respondía con because, que este because es el por qué junto. Then, How es la excepción, es la única que no empieza por WH y significa cómo. How do you feel? ¿Cómo te sientes? How do you get here? ¿Cómo has llegado? Which es cuál. Which one do you want? ¿Cuál quieres? Which muchas veces se confunde con what, porque en inglés solo utilizamos which cuando tenemos un rango de cosas de las que elegir. Por ejemplo, estamos en una frutería y hay 4 tipos de manzanas, ¿no? Las rojas, las amarillas, ta. Y yo pregunto, soy la frutera y te pregunta, which one do you want? ¿Cuál quieres? The red one, the green one. Es cuando hay que escoger algo. Whose es de quién. Who's this jacket? ¿De quién es esta chaqueta? Who's this lamp? I don't know. Y luego how se puede juntar con otras palabras para formar, por ejemplo, how many, que significa cuántos. How many, I don't know, books do you have? ¿Cuántos libros tienes? Con long para ver cuánto de largo es algo. How long is, I don't know, your table you're sitting next to? ¿Cuánto mide la mesa al lado de la que estás sentado? On the next video, en el próximo vídeo, la semana que viene, veremos cómo hay que ordenar las palabras dentro de una pregunta, ¿vale? Y simplemente nos tenemos que quedar con cuáles son, esta semana, WH questions y qué es lo que tenemos que contestar. Es decir, si nos preguntan when, siempre va a ser un tiempo. Si nos preguntan where, un lugar, and so on. So, quick reminder, remember to write down the date, keep your notebook neat and tidy, and then on Thursday, isn't it? Thursdays, we are uploading the answers only for the compulsory exercises. For the extra exercises, you only have to send me them. So on Thursday, we are releasing the answers and you have to check. And I take advantage and remind you that we've got a nice wall, un muro, where you can post all your questions or suggestions or answers or message you want to send to the class. So that's everything for today and this week. See you next week. Bye.